Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add administrators to group on Telegram. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to do is open your Telegram application. Then you want to simply go ahead and open your group and tap on the top, which says the group's name. Here, you want to simply tap on the name of the person you want to make into admin, tap on more, and then simply go ahead and tap on make admin. Or if you don't find it here, what you can also do is simply go ahead and go to all you need to do is simply go to group settings, then down to members, and this is where you want to select the person you want to create an admin, and you can simply give them permissions. Or you could also simply go down to administrators and tap on add admin and simply select the person and tap on add admin. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.